Guys, nakikita mo yung nakaitim? Yung iting tumpok-tumpok? Ang dami nila, no? Oh. Woo. Dami nilang isda na sa gilid, oh. Tumpok-tumpok sila. Ah, diba? Ang dami, diba? Too much fish. Did you see that? Too much fish. One group of fish. Oh my golly. Did you see that, guys? Huh? Oh. Oh. It's nice fish. Too much. Too much, yeah? Too much fish now. And then sometime of squids. Oh, diba? It's nice. Ooh. What is that, the other one? Octopus? But it's nice, that one, not too much. And some guys outside. So much fish. Oh, yummy, yeah. What kind of fish that one, guys? Too much, yeah? See, did you see that? It's the black fish. Oh my. So much fish. This is a nice view up. Did you see, guys? That's a fish. May kamilambat kanyan. Nako. Sarap kunin yung mga fish na yun. Diba? Nice to catch the fish, that one. Too much. Look, one group of fish. Oh, yummy, yummy. Okay.